Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use snipping tool shortcut on your MacBook. So the shortcut for the snipping tool is Command Shift and 4. Okay, so if I press Command Shift then 4 from the keyboard, and I can see my cursor just turn to a plus sign, which means I can select an area in order to snip any kind of portion on the currently desktop or inside an application. So if I go here, suppose now I'm going to clip an area just like this. So you need to press and hold on your mouse pad, and now it just snipped it. Okay, so you can see right now it is here. Now you can go and edit it from here. So just like this, if there's an important thing that you need to snip out, then you can press Command Shift and 4 and it will come up here. Okay, now click on done here and it will be saved to your desktop just right here. Okay, so this is how easily you can use the snipping tool shortcut on your MacBook, and it goes for all the MacBook models right now. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.